Hey everyone. Welcome back to J&K Infotech CyberHub, where we turn cybersecurity into everyday safety tips. Today, we're exposing the top 5 password mistakes people are still making in 2025, and how you can fix them right now. Mistake 1, using weak passwords. Still using 1 2 3 4 5 6 or password? That's like locking your door with tape. Hackers crack weak passwords in seconds. Tip: use a strong passphrase, 3 or 4 random words like red horse coffee sky. Mistake 2, reusing the same password everywhere. Reusing the same password for email, Facebook, banking? One breach equals access to everything. Tip: use a password manager like Bitwarden or LastPass to generate and store unique logins. Mistake 3, not using 2FA, two-factor authentication. No 2FA? That's like having a password and leaving the back door open. Tip: always enable 2FA using an authenticator app, not just SMS. It adds a second layer of protection. Mistake 4, saving passwords in your browser. Browsers aren't designed to be secure vaults. If malware hits, your saved passwords can be stolen. Tip: use a dedicated password manager, not just browser autofill. Mistake 5, ignoring breach alerts. If a site you use gets hacked, and you don't change your password, you're handing the keys to cybercriminals. Tip: use haveibeenpwned.com to check if your email or password was leaked. Passwords are your first line of defense. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll stay way ahead of the hackers in 2025. Found this helpful? Hit that like, share, and subscribe to stay safe with J&K Infotech CyberHub. And drop a comment: what password mistake are you guilty of? Be honest.